Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a brand new video where I will share with you the top 10 best Turkish series of 2024 in Hindi dub. These dramas are packed with thrilling stories, unforgettable characters, and intense emotions. I'll also let you know where you can watch them, so make sure you stay until the end. Let's dive right into it. First up is As the Crow Flies, or Kusu Kusu in Turkish. It is about a young woman who joins a major news network, admiring a famous anchor. However, things take a dark turn when she starts to manipulate and scheme her way to the top, revealing the thin line between ambition and morality. To know how the battle between truth and deception unfolds, don't miss this gripping drama. Moving on, we have The Gift, whose Turkish name is Atiye. This series follows a painter haunted by a mysterious symbol she's been dreaming of for years. She showcases it at an exhibition, only to discover that the symbol has been unearthed at an archaeological site. As she delves deeper into the mystery, long-buried secrets begin to surface. What will happen next? Watch to find out. Next up is Midnight at the Pera Palace, or Pera Palasta Gz, where a journalist is assigned to write an article about a historic hotel, but finds herself transported 100 years into the past. Set during the aftermath of World War II, she encounters freedom fighters and must navigate the dangers of that era. Will she be able to return to her time? Or will history change her fate forever? Watch this time-traveling adventure to find out. Then we have Thank You, next, or Kimler Geldi Kimler Gekti in Turkish. It is the story of a lawyer struggling after a painful breakup. She is soon embroiled in a high-stakes divorce case involving a powerful businessman, where winning is anything but easy. How will she handle this legal battle that could change her life? Watch this emotional rollercoaster for answers. Let's move to Ethos, or Bir Baskadir, which revolves around a young woman seeking therapy for her personal struggles. As her sessions unfold, the lives of 5 other people, each battling their own depression and inner demons, become intertwined. Will they find solace in their shared experiences? This is a show filled with deep emotions and revelations. Now, let's talk about The Protector, or Hakan Muhafz, where an ordinary young man discovers that he is the last protector of Istanbul. With a dark threat looming over the city, it's up to him to unlock his powers and save the people. Will he rise to the challenge? Watch to find out. In Shahmaran, a professor returns to her hometown to visit her grandfather, but soon uncovers a hidden, dark family secret that has been haunting her. Who is behind the dangers she faces? You'll have to watch this suspenseful drama to uncover the truth. Next, we have Rise of Empires, Ottoman, a historical drama about Sultan Mehmed II, who must reclaim his city from the Roman Empire. Watch how he leads his forces in this epic battle for the future of the Ottoman Empire. What will be the fate of his kingdom? Creature, whose Turkish name is Yaratlan, is set in the Ottoman Empire, where a scientist's experiment goes horribly wrong, creating a terrifying creature. The city is thrown into chaos, and its people must fight for survival. Will they be able to stop this monstrous threat? Finally, we have Yakamoj S245, a sci-fi drama about the world's greatest natural disaster, where 2 submarines are the only survivors after the sun's heat destroys the planet. As tension rises between the survivors, the battle for survival begins. What will become of them? These fantastic dramas are all available on Netflix, and I hope you enjoyed this list. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.